Dictation will start in 5 seconds. Start. Since the issues raised in both the captioned appeals are same, the parties are also the same, and the challenge is also to the self same judgment and order passed by the High Court, those were taken up for hearing analogously and are being disposed of by this common judgment and order. Para. For the sake of convenience, we clarify that the appellant herein is an auction purchaser. The respondent number 1 is the borrower, the respondent number 2 is the guarantor, and the respondent number 3 is the bank secured creditor. Para. These appeals are at the instance of an auction purchaser left high and dry by the respondents herein and is directed against the common judgment and order passed by the High Court of Judicature at Bombay in writ petition number 9523 of 2023 with interim application ST number 21706 of 2023 for impediment by which the High Court allowed the writ petition filed by the borrowers and thereby directed the bank to permit the borrowers to redeem the mortgage of the secured asset, more particularly after the auction proceedings attained finality. Para. It appears from the materials on record that the borrowers had availed credit facility from the bank on 3/7/2017. Accordingly, the bank sanctioned lease rental discounting for sought the LRD credit facility to the tune of rupees 100 crore in favor of the borrower, with the respondent number 2 standing as a guarantor. Out of the total amount sanctioned, the amount of rupees 65 crore was adjusted against the then existing LRD facility granted by the previous bank, and for the balance amount of rupees 35 crore, a security in the form of a simple mortgage was created over a parcel of land at measuring 16,200 square meters, having buildings and ancillary structures on it at plot numbers D105, D110 and D111 respectively, situated at the Trans Thane Creek Industrial Area, MIDC Village, Sirwane, Thane, Belapur Road, Nerul, Navi Mumbai, Thane, Maharashtra, in lieu of the sanctioned credit. Para. The borrower defaulted in repayment of the loan amount and accordingly the loan account was declared as a non-performing asset NPA. Stop. Para. The bank issued a demand notice under section 13(2) of the Securitization and Reconstruction of Financial Assets and Enforcement of Securities Interest Act 2002 for sought the SARFAESI Act for repayment of the principal amount along with interest, cost, charges, etc. As on 30/4/2023, an aggregate sum of rupees 123.83 crore was due and payable by the borrower to the bank. Para. Owing to the failure of the borrower and the guarantor in repaying the outstanding amount referred to above, the bank proceeded to take measures for possession of the secured asset under the provisions of the SARFAESI Act. The bank decided to put the secured asset to auction. It appears that between April 2022 and June 2023, the bank attempted 8 auctions but all failed. Para. In the meantime, the borrowers preferred a securitization application being SA number 46 of 2022 before the Debt Recovery Tribunal 1 Mumbai for sought DRT inter alia challenging the demand notice issued under Section 13(2) of the SARFAESI Act and also for quashing of the sale notice dated 25/3/2022 in respect of the secured asset. It is not in dispute that the said application as on date is still pending before the DRT. Para, it appears that the borrowers informed the bank that they were trying to sell the secured asset but were not getting good offers. The borrowers informed the bank that the maximum they might be able to fetch from the sale of the second secured asset would be around rupees 91-92 crore, and they were willing to settle the entire account by offering such amount to the bank. Para, the bank decided to go for one more auction on 14/6/23. The bank published the auction notice for the ninth time for sale of the secured asset at a reserve price of rupees 105 crore. On publication of the auction notice, the appellant herein participated in the auction proceedings conducted on 27/6/2023 and submitted its bid of rupees 105.05 crore along with a deposit of rupees 10.5 crore as earnest money. Stop.